tell you, 2025 is not business as usual. Everything's moving faster than ever before. People are working hard, but AI is working smart, 10 times faster. And those who don't use it, well, they'll be left behind. Believe me. Now there's this incredible tool, brand new, powerful, called SiteNinja AI. It builds entire websites for you, complete with content, images, and affiliate ads, all in minutes. Not hours, not days, minutes. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's winning big for the people using it. You know the pain. You spend days writing, formatting, fixing plugins, trying to make something look right. It's a disaster. SiteNinja AI takes that chaos and turns it into cash flow. One click, and you've got a full, beautiful site ready to make commissions while you sleep. Tremendous tool. People are calling it a total game changer. This is how smart marketers are scaling. No teams, no coding, no headaches. They're letting AI do the heavy lifting, and they're focusing on profits. That's how winners play. And right now, there are exclusive bonuses waiting for you, but only for a short time. Don't wait until everyone else grabs them. Click the link in the bio and claim yours before they're gone. So if you're serious about financial freedom, if you want your business working while you rest, get SiteNinja AI today. It's fast, it's powerful, it works. To learn more, visit theproductoasis.com and search SiteNinja AI, or just follow the link in the bio or in the description below. Make your move, be a winner.